Welcome Pattana International School to Raffles for the workshops. Let's dive in and explore what we have together. Business Workshop. Experience the essence of 4 business programs at Raffles through the Business Simulation Workshop, which allows students to simulate their own business ventures. Fashion Design Workshop. Explore the art of designing stylish outfits with our expert fashion design lecturers through experimental sessions aimed at boosting your creativity in fashion. Graphic Design Workshop. The course that introduces you to the realm of graphic design, stimulating your creativity through inspiring student projects and the fundamentals of graphic design. There are still many more adventures to be had at Raffles, so come join us and become a part of our journey. Every dream becomes reality at Raffles.